Today I'm interested in showing you a feature of Dirred in Emacs that should help make your life easier. So, as you can see, we have a bunch of files like this from CDs that I ripped. That doesn't look too good. It really doesn't. So, we want to take it to a bunch of files that look like this. That way we have all the names of the files, of the tracks. That's what we are looking for. So, how we're going to do that is first we are going to do the first one manually, but we're going to think, how can we make it better? And what exactly would we want the machine to do as it looks all this up? I mean, not looks all this up, does all this. Fill DOM. No, and we're going to pull up a list of tracks. Wikipedia is going to have that. So, here we go, we got the track listing. We're going to go down to the CD release. And I'm going to do the first one manually. I guess I should tell you what you would run, because I have it set to a key binding. Almost did the reverse. As you can see down here, I have this in my config, which sets a key binding to wdred change to wdred mode. So that way there's just the key binding and I don't have to type that out. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna disable merge. So we probably want to get rid of the number and the track title. So we're just gonna do that. It's gone. Now we're gonna change to the buffer W3M, and because we're gonna be copying from here, what we want to do is make this buffer writable. And we want to be here, and we're going to set it up so that way we can be towards the end here every time, or at least most of the time. So we're now going to Alt B to get here, Alt F to get to the top of it, and we're going to set this down, and we're going to go like that. Take that, let's put it back, and then we're going to go back to Gary Moore. Let's just type that in. So that way we have that there. Okay. And we're probably going to want a key, a micro that does something similar. So Let's start writing the macro. Gone. And we're going to go to W3M. We're going to go down. And then we're going to go boom. Oops. Messed that up. Because I forgot to. Anyways. And then we're going to boom. Bam. Boom. And I wasn't quite happy with how that worked. So, because now we're going to get all this. But for now, we're going to leave it like that. Actually, no. I don't like this at all, so I'm going to fix that. So we're going to try again. And once we got one that's good, it's going to just stay that way. And there we go. Just going to paste it there. And then we're going to go down. And boom. There, now we have the macro. And so we just name all these. Well, I should probably fix that because these ones are wrong. Messed up the count. But you get the idea so far, I guessed. So we're going to try and see what we did wrong by redefining it. Almost makes it pointless to do this, but, you know. It's a lot less of a problem than it would be if we use something else. What track were we on exactly? 3, so this is going to be track 4. Okay. Okay. There we go. That is better. And we can clean up this stuff later. But we're going to take... Were those even listed there? Yeah, 11, 13. So 10. I think we could just boom. 11. We have to change things up a little bit for this one. But that's just going down here. And that should help us. And then bam, and so there's some stuff we want to get rid of. We're going to have to clean this up a little bit. But now we just do that. And we can do it with more macros. So now all that's looking better. A little bit. A little bit better. Oops. There we go. And we want to add a 0 to all these single digit ones. Boom. Get rid of this because we don't need that. Boom. And do the same thing for these ones. And there's the one up here. We need to do that too. And personally, I prefer to have underscores rather than spaces. So we're gonna get rid of those. And oops, didn't mean to do that. Oops. I almost did something I didn't want to do. And there we go. We just saved this. And we got it back. Got to how we wanted it. And that's all for now. Peace out.